I got a word. So the word was light. So from that light, I had two other words. From light you can get something like shining.
Yeah.
From light you can get something like that is glowing, that glows. Then something like dazzling, blazing, direction, bright, all those words. So then I now matched some words. So I got all things bright and beautiful. Then the other one I got was, I was told it was these two. I got the another one I missed was bright side, bright focus, sparkling blue. So I tried to check those words if it would give me, I could get something that can, I don't know how to put it, but I eventually
trying to merge them together.
Yes, get it
too much.
Yes, so but eventually I came back to light.
So you're going with light.
Yes, I'm going
So
with
light. When you say light, what does it mean to you?
It's light means when everything seems gloomy, everything seems
Yes.
when you are sad and you think everything is good. When the joy comes in the morning.
Bridget.
So that was like, but I don't really know. I started trying to, but I've not really gathered everything together.
Okay, so I'll try and help you out. So when you say light, you've explained it. Now, if you're bringing it down into, when I was looking at her, even though she has mentioned it before, I didn't even remember, but I just said, let me look at the picture, let me see what it will tell me, whether the picture will speak to me. So I said, okay, colorful. I might as well say all things bright and beautiful, but yeah, it looks like a rainbow, maybe because I'm seeing a rainbow and all of that. So you want people to see your collection and say, oh, what's she talking about? Ah, she's talking about connection. Like bringing, it could be from your fabric. For example, like the fusion thing that I did, where I used Ashoke and Western fabric. So anyone saying that would be like, okay, what's she trying to do? Ashoke, Western fabric. Could we say bond? Can we say togetherness? So you want people to see your collection. So now, what fabrics do you have in mind? What color do you have in mind? Or colors?
I have
Lights.
is that gold or silver?
White.
She said she has gold.
No, I don't have gold. I'm thinking of
Gold
gold or
or
silver.
Something shiny, right?
Yes.